Okay, to install the zebras, the custom-made zebras that comes with this bracket, we need to make sure that the brackets are fully adjusted to the ceiling or to the window frame. They're very adjusted, okay, very strong, very like, screwed in really good. The brackets go in that position. Please make sure that the frame is fully leveled, otherwise your blind is gonna be going to the side. Now I'm gonna show you how to clip in the blinds. Once the blind is clipped in, as you can see, it doesn't go down. Just go down. Alright. Also, the pulley, the chain, make it as tense as possible. And it needs to be plugged in there. I mean, the chain needs to go in there first before you put in the screw. Okay?